Okay, I'm back. Anyway, let's see here. See how wide that creek is. Do you see those concrete pieces right there? Them was way up there at my bridge. It looks to me like, see, this thing was level full at one time, and it's probably 3 foot wider than what it originally was. See if we can get down here and cross. Tell you what, let's go on back, see how close we can get to the creek first, since we're already over here. It's going to be a very, very long time before this place dries up. Back over here to the creek. Like I said the other day, when we first bought this place, I couldn't get my four-wheeler down through there because it was too narrow. So, and I say that was probably 3 foot wide at that, and now it's every bit of 10 foot. Tell right now, see there, that this whole field right here was underwater, and you can see how much, like it was there a bit of almost 2 foot deep right in here where I'm at right now. Amazing. About these golf cart flotation wheels and stuff, the ground actually underneath there is still pretty muddy, or solid, and basically it's sealed over, and it's just runoff water. That's how come it dries out so quick, really. Once the rain water gets off of it, it's not actually, it's more the water when it comes that fast, it just runs off. The ground's got a kind of a hard case top on it when it's dry. Can't cross there, but it's, the ground is solid yet. It's not penetrating, that water's not penetrating down in there to make it a muddy mess, but you can see, you know how deep that is. It's probably, I'd like to get over there. Let's see. Might be able to cross right there. You can see it's not very deep right there. And I say it's probably over the top of my boots out there in the middle of that, so that wouldn't be very wise. As I can tell right over there where the bank's at. It's not very deep. Let me take a little video of that and send it to Ronald, the farmer that owns the property here. As you can see, the creek would have to get off a high to actually bother us up there. But see if I can get over the other side up there. Get over there, and I think I can walk across right where it's coming out into the field there. You may, like I was saying, you'd be amazed how quick that you would be able to get down in here and work this ground once this rain quits. The sun comes out and with some extra wind. Not very deep there. I think I can walk across there. I don't think I want to try taking the forward or the golf cart through there. And watch where I'm walking here. Go down into a hole. Looks a little deeper there. About a foot deep here. And my boots are leaking. Looks a little less deep right there. Yep, I'm gonna have to get another pair of boots. My right one's leaking. Oop. Oop. Too deep. Too deep. Too deep. Maybe it's not that important to get over there. I really think it wouldn't be very deep right in there. You can see the top of those weeds there. The baby steps here. Oop. Not very nice when it gets stuck. Just that one spot there. I've been watching it this morning. It's been numerous of times. Evidently they've been getting rain more up the creek there somewhere, because there's been quite a few times I've looked down here and the water has not flowed out not flowing out in here anymore. Still got to kind of watch where I'm walking because I could step into a hole here, which wouldn't be fun. I could have brought my four-wheeler, would have come through there, but nah. I thought from over there I'd be able to walk across right in there. Don't look like it's very deep. Get up here a little closer. Definitely wouldn't want to walk that way too much. Somebody that can't swim. Yeah, it don't look very deep there. That water's running a lot faster than you think it is. My gosh, look at that gravel pile. I think it's close enough for me. It's probably 15 to 20 foot deep right there. As you can see, that of course you can't tell where that channel's at right there now. Looks to me like it's way over here, going around about to that tree stuff that's out there and making a turn. A lot of water coming through here. And you would think where that's coming down and see, making that bend over there, you'd think when it's got this high, you can see it's going through the woods, but those trees are holding it. It would eat a new channel. The water goes least restriction. But the tree there is not going to be up there very much longer. And what that'll do is dam that up and cause the water to come more out here in the field. And you can see, look at that fence line down through there. It was a good 2 foot higher. Wow. It's swirling around there because it's hitting the dirt right here and making it swirl. Okay, I'll be back to you. I'm going to take a video and send it to Ronald. GoPro stop recording.